In today's video, we'll be connecting Keap to WordPress using MailOptin. To begin, we'll hover over MailOptin on the left and we'll click on Integrations. Now, if we scroll all the way down, we'll find Keap. It's actually Infusionsoft with Keap in brackets. Click on Configure and click on Authorize. And once you're already logged into Keap, it should be pretty easy to create your API key. We'll use the drop-down menu to select an application. Next, we'll click on Allow. And that's all there is to it. We have now connected Keap to MailOptin. Now let's quickly test out our integration by creating a new opt-in campaign. Under opt-in campaigns, we'll click on Add New. And there we'll start by naming our campaign. We're going to call it Keap to keep it simple. We'll use the first template. We'll be taken to the opt-in builder. We have a preview on the right. On the left, we have our settings. In the Design tab, we can customize the opt-in's width. We can select a display effect, change our background color, border color, and also add custom CSS. Moving on, we have an option to customize our headline. We can access its settings here, or we can simply click on its element in the preview. So here we have our headline, and here is the description. And if we click on a field, we'll see the settings open up on the left as well. So here we can choose to use custom HTML by toggling this switch. We'll just add the code right here. We can also decide to use only a call to action button. And if you use the standard fields, you can also edit them right here. Here's the name field, and we have the email field. You can click on Add Custom Field to add your own field. Just simply provide a title, select a type, and continue customizing your field. Moving on, we'll see options to customize the button. So for example, we can go ahead and adjust our button labels text. I'll just remove now, so we just have subscribe. Let's change the background color from blue to red to match the border. And that's it for our example. Now we can move on to configuration. And here we can choose to hide the close button. We can also disable the escape key and close the overlay on click. We have a drop-down menu to select a sound effect as well. And there are also options to set your cookie durations. There is an option to remove MailOptin's branding as well. Now let's go back and we're going to move on to integrations. Here we can choose to keep our leads inside of MailOptin or simply add a new integration. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's click on this drop-down menu and we'll select an integration from the list. It should be Infusionsoft with Keap in brackets. I think it's right here. We'll choose our email list, which is all contacts. We don't need to add any lead tags. Our person type will be customer, maybe. And let's set our lead source to advertising. And finally, we'll select the owner. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can always go ahead and map custom fields, but for this example, we won't need to. So let's go back to the main menu and we'll move on to after conversions. Based on these settings, we're displaying a success message, which says thanks for subscribing. And that happens after a lead converts. We'll keep the default settings and go back. Let's move on to display rules. And here we can set a trigger for our opt-in. So let's use after scrolling down X%. X in this case will be about 5%, and we'll go ahead and activate the rule by toggling this switch. All right, so I think we're good. Let's go ahead and save our changes. And once that is done, we can go ahead and turn on the opt-in. And once it's turned on, we can go back to our main menu and we'll open our website in a new incognito window to test out our opt-in. And from there, all we need to do is scroll down to 5% of the page. We'll see our pop-up and we'll enter some random information. We'll click on subscribe. Then we'll see our success message. We'll jump into Keap now. And we'll click on this 12 total contacts area. And that will take us to our list of contacts. If we scroll down, we'll see our lead. All right, now you can also integrate Keap with email campaigns. And I'm going to quickly show you how that works. So let's go to emails. And from here, we're going to go ahead and add a new one. Select email automation. We'll name this Keap emails to keep it simple. And next we'll choose a type. So with new post notification, an email will be sent to your subscribers whenever a new post is published. And then there's post email digest, which is a roundup of your latest posts. So let's choose this template and we'll be taken to the email builder. Right here, we can see a list of different posts. To integrate Keap, go to settings, scroll all the way down to recipient, select a connection. It should be Infusionsoft with Keap in brackets. And from there, you can go ahead and continue your configuration. We have links to full tutorials on this feature in the description down below. So feel free to go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.